In this scenario we will run a report, sort the results by a column value and export it to Microsoft Excel. Start the steps in the uPerform Management Center. Click Reports. Scroll down if required to select the appropriate report from the list. Click Published Content Report. Click Run Report. For some reports you are invited to include document data from one or more uPerform projects. You can use the Control key to select individual projects from the list, or the Shift key to select the start and end of a block of consecutive project names. Click EHR/EMR Training. Click Run. By default the report is sorted by project name as indicated by this triangle. A scroll bar will appear if there are more columns than can be viewed on the page. Scroll left and right to review all the column values. Click the name of one of the columns to change the sort order, in this example publish date. The default export file type is Excel, but other export file types of CSV, XML or JSON are available for selection via the menu drop-down. Click Export Excel Document. Browse to select the download location on your PC or other file location. The export file name will default to the report name. Click File Name and edit if required. Click Save to complete the export download process.